Knocked over! It's so fluffy! Yeah! That was awesome.
You blew up the whole thing. Let's go destroy another game.